The First Alert Photoelectric Smoke Alarm with LED escape light responds quickly to slow smoldering fires to protect your family against deadly threats in the home. This battery-operated alarm comes with an ultra-bright LED to provide a safe path during emergency situations. The photoelectric smoke sensor provides optimal detection of slow, smoldering fires. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to assure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple, and no additional wiring is required. The First Alert P900E comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.